Good morning, girls. In yesterday's lecture, we saw what is a lattice, how to construct meet and join tables, then what is a sublattice, then we had some important properties, and bounded lattice. A bounded lattice is a lattice which has the least element and the greatest element. So all DNs are bounded lattices. Okay, now using the bounded lattice, we are going to define complement. I think we have written the definition already. Complement of an element, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, complement of an element. We have already written the definition that A and A dash are complements of each other. In a bounded lattice. The lattice must be bounded. It should have a greatest element and the least element. If A meet A dash is 0. 0 means the least element of the lattice. It is not 0 element always. Please remember this. And A join A dash is 1. 1 is the greatest element in the lattice. Okay. So for example, if we consider D6, 1, 2, 3 and 6. This is your Hayes diagram of D6. Okay. So what is complement of 1? Either you write 1 bar or you can write 1 and single quote prime. Anyhow, you can denote the complement. So the complement of the least element is the greatest element. And complement of the greatest element is the least element. Okay. Now what is complement of 2? What is complement of 2 in D6? If you observe, 2 meet 3 is equal to 1. What is 0 element here? This is 0 element. Okay. And 6 is the 1 element. Do you understand it? We denote the greatest element by 1 and the least element by 0. So here 6 is the 1 element and 1 is the 0 element. Or 6 is the 1 of D6 and 1 is the 0 of D6. Do you understand this? What I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
So 2 meet 3. See, 2 meet 3 is what? What is 0 of D6? It is 1. And 2 meet 3, 1 आता है क्या नहीं? Greatest lower bound of 2 and 3 is 1. Correct? How many lower bounds are there for 2 and 3 in D6? Girls, come on, answer my question. How many lower bounds are there for 2 and 3 in D6? This is your D6. There is only one lower bound, that is 1. उन दोनों के नीचे देखना है आपको, उन दोनों के लोअर पोजीशन के एलिमेंट्स देखने हैं. सो 2 और 3 के लोअर पोजीशन पे सिर्फ एक ही है, एंड दैट इज द 0 ऑफ D6, राइट?
Yes.
Yes. So 2 meet 3 is 1. And what about 2 join 3? What about 2 join 3?
6.
It is 6. And what is 6? 6 is the 1 of D6.
Greatest element.
Yes. And therefore, you can say 2 and 3 are complements of each other. Do you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
So, see, the non-comparable elements are usually complements of each other. Usually, I'm saying, not always. Not always. अगर उनका join greatest element आता है और meet least element आता है lattice का, तो वो दोनों elements एक दूसरे के complements है. Okay? Finished writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sorry. Now let us see D30. D30 हमने draw किया था, if you remember. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. So please remember, this is the cubical structure. Okay. So whenever you have Hayes diagram which shows a cube, then the complements you can find out using the locations of the vertices. How? See, if you remember, this was our Hayes diagram. No, something wrong I did. I want to draw a cube. I want to draw it very neatly. Okay, let it. Sometimes it happens. ये एक है. Then suppose ये एक है.
मैम वो नीचे वाले पे करो ना.
ये ऐसा है ना. आपको समझ में आ रहा है क्या? ये कॉम्प्लिकेटेड बन गया. बहुत नजदीक आ गए. क्या हुआ आज मुझे? क्यूब नहीं ड्रॉ करने को आ रहा है मुझे.
मैम पहले
Okay, let it be. I will draw the cube.
मैम
Then I will put the vertices. Let it be. Okay. So this is 1, 2,
hello
3, 5. Then this is 6, 10, 15 and 30. Okay. So these are your vertices. These are your elements of D30. Right. Now what is one complement? Okay, what is 0 in D30? What is the 0 element in D30? D30 का 0 element क्या है? 0 element means the least element.
1
1. And this is the greatest element. 30 is the greatest element, which is denoted by 1. Okay. So 0 in D30 is 1 and 1 in D30 is equal to 30. All of you understand this? So what we want to do, we want to find out for every element, the other element, such that वो दो elements का meet 1 हो और join 30 हो. So 1 के लिए आपको क्या मिल रहा है? 1 meet 30. What is 1 meet 30? 1 और 30 के कॉमन लोअर बाउंड्स कौन से हैं? Which elements are the lower bounds of 1 and 30? See, all the elements are lower bounds of 30. But all the elements are not lower bounds of 1. 1 के लिए सिर्फ वो खुद lower bound है. So 1 meet 30, the greatest lower bound will be 1. What about 1 join 30? Come on, girls.
30
1 join 30 is 30. So you are getting 1 and 30 का meet equal to least element. and 1 and 30 का join equal to the greatest element. Therefore, 1 complement is 30 and 30 complement is 1. Do you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. Now tell me 2 का. 2 के साथ बताओ ऐसा किसका हो रहा है कि to meet वो element should be 1 and to join that element should be 30. 15 करेक्ट. टू मीट 15. देखो 2 और 15 में कुछ कनेक्शन नहीं है. दे आर नॉट कंपेरेबल एलिमेंट्स. एक्चुअली 2 is not comparable with 3 also. 2 is not comparable with 5 also. But 2 meet 3 will be 1. 2 join 3 will be 6. 2 meet 5 will be 1 and 2 join 5 will be 10. But 2 meet 15 if you take, then 2 meet 15 आ जाएगा 1 and 2 join 15 आ जाएगा 30. Are you getting it, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
This is same as finding GCD of 2 and 15. And this is LCM of 2 and 15 is 30. I told you that join and meet are LCM and GCD respectively. Okay? So यहाँ पे देखो ये लोकेशंस देखो. ये जो लोकेशन है 2 का, इसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट यहाँ पे मिलता है आपको. प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस. Whenever you have Hayes diagram which shows a cube, इस लोकेशन का कॉम्प्लीमेंट आपको यहाँ पे मिलेगा. ओके? नेक्स्ट. अभी सो इसलिए क्या हुआ? 2 कॉम्प्लीमेंट इज 15 and 15 कॉम्प्लीमेंट इज 2. ओके? नाउ नेक्स्ट 3 का बताओ. 3 कॉम्प्लीमेंट. 3 meet
10.
element is 1. 10 correct. GCD of 3 and 10 is 1. Okay? And LCM of 3 and 10 is 30. Correct. Very good. So देखो मैं ब्लू से अभी दिखा रही हूं. इस लोकेशन का कॉम्प्लीमेंट यहां पे होता है. ओके? So 3 bar is equal to 10 and 10 bar is equal to 3. अभी कौन से बचे? 5 and 6. 5 and 6 बचे. The elements 5 and 6 are remaining. Yes. What is the complement of 5? Let us find 5 के लिए ऐसा कौन सा एलिमेंट आपको मिल रहा है? 5 meet that element is 1 and 5 join that element is equal to 30.
6.
6, correct. GCD of 5 and 6 is 1. They are co-prime to each other and their LCM is their product. Right? When GCD is 1, the LCM is always product. Therefore, 5 and 6 are complements of each other. 5 bar is 6 and 6 bar is 5. And I'm showing it by green color. If you see, please see the locations. Okay? 2 and 15 का location देखो तो anytime whenever you have Hayes diagram which shows a cube, you will get complements of the elements at these positions. Okay? Have you understood it, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to always remember कि here complement of every element exists actually, but it is not necessary in every poset that complement exists, or in every lattice the complement exists. It is not necessary. Okay? Here it is giving us. But the complement of the least element and the greatest element always exist, because the complement of the least element is the greatest element and conversely. So whenever you have a bounded lattice, at least you will have the complements of the least and the greatest elements. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes. We can have one example where we don't have complement of certain element. I hope you have finished with this.
Yes.
Okay, so just write a note. In D30, complement of every element exists. Complement of every element exists. Okay, this is the note you can write, and later on we will define complemented lattice. Okay, now I will show you one example where certain complements do not exist. Okay, for example, if we have D45, what is D45? 1, 3,
1, 3,
5,
5.
9, 15, and 45. Right? So the Hayes diagram will be a hexagon. It is similar to D12. It is similar to D20. Whenever you have 6 elements, such kind of Hayes diagram could be drawn. 3, 5 are non-comparable elements. And then we have, this is 9 and 15 is divisible by both. Okay, so this is D45 Hayes diagram. Now let us try to find out complements. What is complement of 1? See, complement of the least element is the
45.
greatest element. Yes. Complement of the least element is the greatest element. So 1 bar is 45 and 45 bar is 1. So here 1 in D45 is 45 and 0 in D45 is 1. Okay. Now what about 3? Does 3 have any complement? What is 3 meet
15.
5? What is 3 meet 5? Is 1.
15.
Is 1, na?
Yeah, 1, 1, 1.
1.
Yes,
But
yes.
what is 3 join 5? You have to collect all the upper bounds of 3 and 5. What are the upper bounds of 3 and 5?
15.
What are the upper bounds of 3 and 5? 15 and 45. Both, no? Common upper bounds we have to select. 15 and 45 are upper bounds of 3 and 5. But which one is the least upper bound?
15.
Yes, but 15 divides 45. Everything is happening with respect to the divides relation. But 15 divides 45 implies 15 is less equal 45 and therefore 15 is the LUB of 3 and 5, right? So it is not equal to 45. Do you understand it? And therefore 3 and 5 are not complements of each other. Three and 5 are not complements of each other. Do you understand this, girls? देखो 3 भी 5 15 को connect हो रहा है. There is an edge. 5 is also getting connected with 15. And both of them are getting connected with 45 by transitivity of the relation. But very first time where they are meeting, 3 and 5, where they are meeting very first time,
15.
15. So that is their join. This is how you can find. So 3 और 5 का complement हमें नहीं मिल रहा है. They are not complements of each other. मैं ऐसा नहीं कह रही हूँ कि 3 का complement दूसरा कुछ भी नहीं है, 5 का complement दूसरा कुछ नहीं. But 3 and 5 are not complements of each other. Okay, let us go further. Let us move further. 5 का 9 के साथ हो सकता है क्या कुछ? What about 5 and 9? What is 5 meet 9 and what is 5 join 9? Tell me. 5 meet 9 क्या है? What are the lower bounds? 1. What are the common lower bounds of 5 and 9? 1 only, right? And of course, GCD of 5 and 9 is also 1. They are co-prime numbers, right? And 5 and 9, what is their least upper bound? What are the upper bounds of 5 and 9?
15 and 45.
No, 9 का कहाँ है 15? 9 and 15 are not comparable.
Only 45.
Only 45. Only 45.
45.
So you are getting a pair such that their meet is 1 and join is 45. Right? Therefore, 5 का complement क्या है? 9 and 9 का complement क्या है? 5. Okay. I'm getting 5 का complement 9, 9 का complement 5. Now what about 3 and 15? 3 and 15. वो बचे हैं. 3 का कॉम्प्लीमेंट है क्या? 3 के लिए आपको कोई एलिमेंट मिल रहा है क्या ऐसे? Such that its meet, their meet is 1 and their join is 45. नहीं ना, because देखो ये जो नंबर 3 है, that divides 9 also, that divides 15 also, that divides 45 of course. So whenever you will take 3 meet 9, it is going to be 3. देखो 3 meet 9 is 3. 3 join 9 is 9. 3 meet 15 is 3. 3 join 15 is 15. So, and with 5 also, 3 meet 5 is 1. But 3 join 5 is 15. Therefore, 3 bar does not exist. There is no element in D45 for 3. Does not exist in D45. Do you understand this? And similarly, 15 का बताओ मुझे. 15 के साथ क्या ऐसा हो रहा है क्या कुछ? 15 and 9, what is their least upper bound? 15 meet 9. 15 meet 9. What is their least upper bound? Where they are meeting down?
1.
No, 3. At 3 they are meeting, no, here. Right?
Yes.
15 and 9 के lower bounds क्या क्या है बताओ? Which elements are lower bounds of 15 and 9? 1 and 3. Right? Girls, you should be able to answer quickly. What are the lower bounds of 15 and 9? 5 is not a lower bound of 9.
1 and 3.
1 and 3. तो उसमें से greatest कौन है? 3 है. So 15, 9 is 3. GCD 15 और 9 का GCD 3 होता है. And what is their join? Their join is 45. Their join is 45, but their meet is not 1. Okay, therefore 15 bar does not exist. और बाकी एलिमेंट्स के साथ भी नहीं हो रहा है वो.
Yes.
बाकी एलिमेंट्स के साथ भी नहीं हो रहा है. हमने 15 का अभी देखा है, 3 के साथ देखा है. 15 and 5 का भी देखो. 15 meet 5 is 5. 15 join 5 is 15 itself. And therefore 15 bar does not exist in D45. Okay, this is how you can find the complements. And therefore, what can you say? Therefore, every element in D45 does not have a complement in D45. Okay. Now 5 minutes are remaining, girls. You rejoin back. We will just have up to 10:40 the lecture. I want to take attendance and we will define what is a complemented lattice. Okay. That is what is remaining now. So we had two examples where each element has a complement, D30, and we have D45 where each element does not have a complement. Okay. So let us define a complemented lattice now. Complemented lattice. All of you are writing with me.
Yes, ma'am.
Write the definition. A lattice L join meet is called complemented if it is bounded. This is very important because if the lattice is not bounded, then it will not have least element and the greatest element, and then you cannot find the complement. So it should be bounded. It is bounded and every element in L possesses a complement. Okay, every element in L possesses a complement. So for example, हमने देखा है D30 is a complemented lattice. D45 is not a complemented lattice. Okay, so let us stop here.